Ooh, child, I look ratchet, but whew. I'm blue. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. Yo, don't mind my face. I'm always lit looking this ugly, okay? Period. Ooh, is this better? Ooh, ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is nice. This is very much Hollywood, okay? I'm just a little starlet just walking up, you know, red lights, red carpet, baby. Period. Okay, well, as you can see, I am sweating. Sorry for showing you all my little accoutrements. I don't normally exercise. As you can see, I am very flabby. I'm not like fat or anything, which was a goal of mine, to be fat, but now I kind of want to be kind of like fit and, you know, good looking and stuff, but definitely don't want to be skinny. I want to be like in the middle. So I just get up, you know, I just got up this morning and I'm in a little bit of pain, which is an understatement, but I decided, look at me. I decided I'm going to film myself dancing, which I really wanted to do a dancing video, just having fun, enjoying myself. I do not have AirPods and it is raining right now, heavily outside. And the song that I want to play is copyrighted, obviously, so sorry about the noise outside. And this video is basically gonna be me listening to the music, and I'm gonna be dancing. And as I said, I don't have AirPods, so I have the earphones in, wired earphones, and I'm gonna have this huge ass tablet, iPad in my hand while I dance. You feel me? But what I would want you to do is, I'm gonna be listening to Don't Jealous Me. I'm gonna be listening to Don't Jealous Me and Ja-R-E from the Black is King album by Beyonce Giselle Knowles, okay? Queen, okay? Queen Beyonce, okay? So what I would tell you guys is, I'm gonna tell you when I'm gonna start the music. So if you wanna start the same time as me, then you can know. But essentially, if you're not listening to music with this video, you're gonna just see me dancing to air, okay? Air and not cable. All right, so let's get started. I think this is a good angle. There's a bucket right here with water. I don't know why it's here, but let me just move that out of the way. Okay, okay, looks good. All right, close this, and let me close in here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first song is Don't Jealous Me, and as I said, it is from the Black is King album. I am not a dancer, guys. Please don't roast me in the comments, please. I'm sensitive. But let's get started. Okay, I can't dance, but I did break a sweat, bitch. I am sweaty and hot. Hot and sweaty. But at least I'm hot. Period. Whew. Whew. Okay, that is the end of that song. Nile is starting now. If you download the album, if you download the album, guys, please. I've been dancing now for like 30 minutes, okay? And as an out of shape, unfit person, I'm dying, okay? So please forgive me if I'm slurring my words. I am tired, okay? But if you have the album, Black is King, The Lion King, Beyonce, all you gotta do is press play, okay? You ain't gotta be searching or clicking on nothing. Just press play and start dancing and feel the vibes, okay? So, I am done. I just did this because I know I was gonna shower, and look at the sweat dripping down my face. Can you see that? I'm going to shower now, and I am going to, let me change the light so you guys can see me. I'm going to shower now. Ooh. I'm going to shower now. Okay, you can kind of see the sweat. I'm going to shower now. Okay, and I am going to keep being, you know, the baddest, period. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. No, I am not a health guru. I'm not a fitness guru, but my stomach do be stomaching, okay? So teeth and stuff, I have not done anything today. I haven't eaten or anything yet. I'm gonna go to the store later. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog going to the store because it's raining and everything's crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and do not drag me in the comments, okay? I know I can't dance. I know I can't dance, okay? Beyonce said in the song, what song was it? Bigger? She said in Bigger that life is your birthright. But you didn't read that in the fine print, okay? Life is my birthright, not dancing, okay? So, I hope you guys have a great day and stay fit. Stay fit, okay? Peace out. Woo, ooh, ooh, ooh.